Hello again, this is teacher Melva. I'm going to teach you now how to multiply a mixed number with a fraction. Okay, for example here we have a mixed number. A mixed number which is 2 and 2/5. 2 and 2/5. This is a mixed number having 2 here as a whole number and 2/5 as a fraction. Times, let's say 1/2. How do we multiply a mixed number and a fraction? So this is how we are going to do this. Okay, so to multiply a mixed number and a fraction, we have to make the mixed number into an improper fraction. So we will do this, we will change this mixed number into an improper fraction. How do we do that? So if you can still remember how to change a mixed number into an improper fraction, we are going to multiply this and add this. Okay, how? So that is 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Then copy the denominator, which is 5. Again, how do we do this? 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So that's how we do that. And then copy the denominator, 5. So 2 and 2/5 is equivalent with an improper fraction, which is 12 over 5 times 1/2. So it is easier now because we can now multiply both fractions. So this is already a fraction, so simply multiply 12 times 1. 12 times 1 equals 12. And then 5 times 2 equals 10. So that's it. This is already your answer. And then look at this. Examine. What kind of fraction is this? Is this final? So 12 over 10 is an improper fraction, meaning to say this is not final. So to finalize this one, we have to divide the numerator with the denominator. So this is 12 divided by 10. Okay, 12 divided by 10 equals 1. 1 times 10 equals 10. 12 minus 10 equals 2. So our final answer would be 1 as the quotient. And then our remainder 2 here. Copy the divisor, which is 10. That would be our denominator here. So this is now our answer. Then look again. Is this really the final answer? So if you are going to examine this one, this has a GCF, meaning to say it can be simplified. So to simplify that, copy the one which is already final, this whole number here. The GCF of 2 and 10 is 2. So 2 times 2, 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And then 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So this is now our final answer, 1 and 1/5. Okay. So that's it. How to multiply a mixed number and a fraction. So this is we did it the way as in direct multiplication, but if we will do it the cancellation way, the cross cancellation way, so I'll give you the option to 12 over 5 times 1/2. Okay, so looking at this could be crossed out. What is, they have a GCF. So 12 and 2. The GCF is 2. So GCF, greatest common factor, is 2. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And then 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So we can now multiply 6 divided by 6 times 1 equals 6. And then 5 times 1 equals 5. This is now our product. But this is an improper fraction, so we have to divide. 6 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Our final answer would be 1, this one here, and the one here would be our new numerator, and then 5. So just the same. They're the same. Okay, the cross cancellation method and the direct multiplication method. Okay, so that's how we are going to multiply a mixed number and a fraction. That's it. God bless.